I'm Emily DeFazio from bestreviews.com, and this is Ashley Hawk, a registered dietitian. Ashley, what are we cooking today?
All right, we're gonna make an awesome salmon, and this only requires 5 main ingredients. It's a super clean, easy recipe, and guess what? With the air fryer, you can make it in under 10 minutes. To get started, all we're gonna do is we're gonna wash our salmon quickly, then we're gonna drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, put on some salt and pepper. Of course, you could do more spices or more seasonings. Paprika's always great, but from there, you're gonna place it in your air fryer, and if you're just doing the basic salmon, you're just gonna set it for 9 minutes at 400 degrees. It's that simple. And then if you want to add a little kick to it, you can also broil it for an additional 2 minutes at 400 degrees.
Wow, and it looks incredible.
Well, what's really fun about this too, Emily, is we've compared 2 different types of air fryers to see what the difference is in the 2 of them. Because one of the advantages of air fryers is it's so much faster. You don't have to wait for your oven to preheat. And on top of that, when you're actually cooking the salmon, you can easily kind of peek on it to make sure that it's reached the consistency and the texture that you're looking for.
We used 2 different air fryers to cook these 2 pieces of salmon. This one was done in the Ninja Speedi, while this one was done in the Breville Joule Pro.
The nice thing about using both of these air fryers were for each piece of salmon, we first used the air fryer mode for 10 minutes. Then when we were done with that, we switched it to the broil mode and we used that for 2 minutes to get that extra crispy, crunchy texture on the top.
Oh, that really just seals the deal.
I can't wait to try it. It looks so buttery too. Shall we?
Yeah,
Okay,
please.
which one do you want to try first?
Oh, I really like this one, that extra crisp on it. I'm really excited about it. That crust. Excellent. Now, that tasted great. Let's taste this one.
Everything's the same, except we cooked it in the Breville Joule Pro. You could do it for less, but I like my fish a little more cooked. Some people like it a little more pink.
I
So
like
it's
it a
kind
little
of
more
up to you.
cooked too. Yeah, this is great. And it does have a really similar consistency. With that broil method, that crust is really similar, but the timing and just the actual use of the broiler seems to be a little bit different here, but with similar results.
I agree. What do you think? Which one are you enjoying more?
Oh, I think that this one is like definitely the flakiest, and it has like that color on it. This is definitely cooked all the way through in a way that I really like it, but the pieces are a little bit bigger, which isn't bad. Just
Yeah.
that one really takes the cake, takes the salmon.